So the next part is pair of lines. Suppose this is one pair of line. In between there is a same distance on throughout the line. There is same distance. So if two lines having no intersecting point, so then they are called a parallel lines. Even after produced, they do not meet at any point with each other. They are called parallel lines. They are called parallel lines. Means what I am saying, like if two lines never meet each other at any point, if they are produced, then they are called parallel lines. Like the example are railway track. Railway tracks never meet each other. Railway tracks never meet each other. And to opposite sides of a door, opposite sides of this board, they will never meet each other. So that is called parallel lines. That is the examples of parallel lines. Another case is intersecting lines. If two points having one point in common, then these two lines are called intersecting lines, like that. This is intersection point. Intersection point, and these two lines are called intersecting line. Means the point where these two lines intersect, this is called intersection point, and the lines are called intersecting lines. These lines are called intersecting lines. Okay, now one more thing. If two lines intersect each other at 90 degree, then this line which intersect this another line, it is called perpendicular to each other. And the representation of perpendicular lines are like that. Representation of parallel lines are like that. Two bars are there for representations of parallel line. For representation of perpendicular line, perpendicular means if two lines having 90 degree in between in the intersection point, then it is called perpendicular lines. Okay.